Welcome to my English study channel. Here you'll learn new words to enhance your vocabulary and speaking skills. See the word. Hear the word. Say the word. Practice often to remember all words better. The more you practice, the better you will become. In this lesson, I'll teach you 30 English words for the names of sports. I'll cover everything from football and basketball to tennis and swimming. In part 1, I'll present all the words, and in part 2, I'll test if you can remember them. Please share your favorite sport in the comments section below. Happy learning! Names of sports. Part 1. Football. Football. In the United States, the term used for football is soccer. Football. Baseball. Baseball. We play baseball with a team and try to score runs. Baseball. Basketball. Basketball. We play basketball with our friends and have a lot of fun. Basketball. Tennis. Tennis. I play tennis with my sister at the local tennis court. Tennis. Golf. Golf. Golf is a great way to enjoy the outdoors and stay active. Golf. Swimming. Swimming. He wears goggles and a swim cap for swimming in the pool. Swimming. Volleyball. Volleyball. I play volleyball with my friends at the beach. Volleyball. Cycling. Cycling. We go cycling in the park and enjoy the fresh air. Cycling. Wrestling. Wrestling. He learns different wrestling techniques from his coach. Wrestling. Athletics. Athletics. She joins the school's athletics team. Athletics. Gymnastics. Gymnastics. Gymnastics helps us become strong and flexible. Gymnastics. Boxing. Boxing. Boxing matches are exciting and full of action. Boxing. Rugby. Rugby. Rugby is a sport played with an oval-shaped ball. Rugby. Cricket. Cricket. I play cricket with my friends at the park on weekends. Cricket. Ice hockey. Ice hockey. The ice hockey game starts at 7 p.m. tonight. Ice hockey. Badminton. Badminton. I love playing badminton with my sister. Badminton. Table tennis. Table tennis. I like playing table tennis with my friends after school. Table tennis. Horseback riding. Horseback riding. I take horseback riding lessons to improve my skills. Horseback riding. Diving. Diving. Diving allows you to explore the underwater world. Diving. Surfing. Surfing. They go surfing at the beach during summer vacations. Surfing. Sailing. Sailing. I love sailing on a sunny day with the wind in my sails. Sailing. Canoeing. Canoeing. Canoeing is a great way to explore rivers and lakes. Canoeing. Rowing. Rowing. Rowing requires strong arms and a steady rhythm. Rowing. Skateboarding. Skateboarding. Skateboarding in the skate park is a lot of fun. Skateboarding. Rollerblading. Rollerblading. My sister loves rollerblading and she is very good at it. Rollerblading. Skiing. Skiing. We enjoy skiing during the winter holidays. Skiing. Snowboarding. Snowboarding. I learn new snowboarding tricks from online tutorials. Snowboarding. Karate. Karate. Karate teaches discipline and self-defense skills. Karate. Weightlifting. Weightlifting. He sets new personal records in weightlifting competitions. Weightlifting. American football. American football. We watch American football on TV every Sunday. American football. Part 2. In this part, we show the picture, and you say the word. Are you ready to test your knowledge of words for different sports? Can you name them all? Okay, let's find out. Football. Football. Baseball. Baseball. Basketball. Basketball. Tennis. Tennis. Golf. Golf. Swimming. Swimming. Volleyball. Volleyball. Cycling. Cycling. Wrestling. Wrestling. Athletics. Athletics. Gymnastics. Gymnastics. boxing, boxing. Rugby, rugby. Cricket, cricket. Ice hockey, ice hockey. Badminton, badminton. Table tennis, table tennis. Horseback riding, horseback riding. Diving, diving. Surfing, surfing. Sailing, sailing. Canoeing, canoeing. Rowing, rowing. Skateboarding, skateboarding. Rollerblading, rollerblading. Skiing, skiing. Snowboarding, snowboarding. Karate, karate. Weightlifting, weightlifting. American football, American football. Wonderful, great job. We hope you enjoyed learning these new English words. Please watch other videos on our channel and continue building your vocabulary. We recommend watching this video every 5 days until you have mastered all the words. We've also created for you a short video featuring all the words from this episode to help you quickly refresh your memory. Please check it out in our shorts section. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more English language learning content. See you next time.